Big Brother Hasib! Look! That man is making a tiny elephant out of clay! Whoa! His hands are moving so fast! Look! I made a long snake! And I made a potato? A potato? Well, it was supposed to be a snowman's head, but it's kind of funny looking.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever felt the magic of squishing, rolling, and shaping? Clay isn't just fun, it's a world of endless possibilities. So, let's dive in and bring our imaginations to life.
Big Brother Hasib! Look! That man is making a tiny elephant out of clay! Whoa! His hands are moving so fast!
People have been making things with clay for thousands of years. You can create almost anything. Clay is soft and can be shaped using hands. Balls, snakes, and flat shapes can be made by rolling, pressing, and pinching. Using fingers and palms help shape the clay.
Can we try, Big Brother Hasib?
Of course. Let's get some clay and see what you can make.
It feels so squishy and soft. Like holding a cloud. Look! I made a long snake. And I made a potato. A potato? Well, it was supposed to be a snowman's head, but it's kind of funny looking.
What are you two up to?
We're making things with clay. Look at my snake. And my potato snowman.
You know, if you press your thumb into the clay, you can shape it better.
Whoa! It actually looks like a head now. I want to make a butterfly. Wings need to be thin, so I'm pressing them flat. The butterfly wings are so smooth. Whoa! It looks so real now.
Clay can be combined to make larger structures. For example, a small ball and a snake can form a snail.
That's wonderful.
Now it's the time for quiz. What is the best way to make clay soft and easy to shape? Option A. Put it in the freezer before using it. Option B. Press and knead it with your hands. Option B is correct. Softening clay helps in shaping it better. Which picture shows a child using clay correctly? Option A. A child carefully shaping clay with hands and tools. Option B, a child throwing clay on the table. Excellent. Option A shows a child carefully shaping clay with hands and tools. Clay is meant to be shaped, molded, and designed with care. Which picture shows a creative way to use clay? Option A, a picture of a flat, unshaped piece of clay. Option B, a picture of a small clay bowl made by hand. Good job! Option B is correct. Clay can be shaped into useful or decorative objects. Once clay is dried, you can still change its shape easily. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Dry clay becomes hard and cannot be reshaped without water or resoftening methods. Clay can be used to create both flat and 3D objects. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Clay is a flexible material that can be shaped into different forms. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be rolling, squishing, and shaping something amazing. Keep your hands ready for a playful adventure. Until then, keep an eye out for fun shapes around you. You never know what you might create next. See you soon! Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.